Assalamualaikum everyone. Today, I'm seeing that many people are getting attacked with the disease called influenza. Well, this is an airborne contagious disease. It takes time, like 18 to 72 hours, for the disease to show its symptoms. It attacks children within 3 to 5 days, and it attacks adults within 5 to 7 days. You know, how does influenza rise in our body? Whenever we have influenza, we have severe high fever. Then we have cold. We have runny nose. We have severe headache, and sometimes we have muscle and throat pain too. So this viral disease is really intolerable for the patients, as you know from my presentation. The disease generally spreads in crowded places. So whenever you are in a place outside your home or even inside, you should use a handkerchief whenever you are sneezing or coughing. And you should definitely throw the habit of spitting everywhere away. And the influenza-affected person should be kept in a separate room, as this is a viral disease, so that the virus does not spread to other persons. So you should keep the person affected by influenza in a separate room. Then you can wash your head continuously with cold water for getting the temperature down. And you can also sponge your body with ice packs or cold water in a towel so that your body gets a little relaxed and the temperature decreases a bit. Then, what is the best food diet, or what kind of food should we eat whenever we have influenza? Well, we should definitely follow the normal routine of food except the junk foods that we eat. And we have to include more and more liquid foods. It may be oral saline, it may be different kinds of fruit juice, it may be coconut water, it may be pure water, or even different kinds of fruit juices that are seasonal or non-seasonal. You can drink any, but try to avoid soft beverages. And in emergency cases, you should take the consultation of the doctor. So, now, what steps can we take for preventing influenza? Well, we know prevention is better than cure. We learned the cures a little earlier, but if we do the prevention from the very beginning, we won't get attacked by influenza and we do not need to cure anything. So, what are the preventions actually? We have to choose our dress according to the change of season. Like in summer, we should use light cotton dress. In winter, we should use woolen dress. In rainy season, we can prefer linen, georgette, nylon, these kinds of dresses. And light colored dresses impact the most because they are not tough and they prevent the hardness. So, we have to choose our dresses according to the change of our seasons. And whenever we are sweating more and more, we should dry it up so that the sweat does not get absorbed by our body and we do not have sore throat. The second point is we have to take regular exercise and rest. You know, people do exercise, they try to be on a diet. Have a balanced diet is very, very important in our life, but whenever you do excessive physical exercise but you do not take sufficient rest or sufficient food, then you may be attacked by contagious diseases very easily. So you should have proper rest along with a balanced diet and along with physical exercise. And as I said, influenza takes place in crowded places. So you should avoid the places that are crowded. In one case, if it's not possible for you to avoid any crowded place, then you should definitely wear a face mask whenever you go to any crowded place. You know, I gave a video about misconception today. Another misconception I saw among the people is that due to the corona pandemic, people had to wear masks when they used to go out. So, people thought that only because of coronavirus, people used to wear masks. But no, people used to wear masks so that they did not get affected by the virus. And you may ask me that virus gets spread in a crowded place. But during corona pandemic, the whole country was locked down. There is no crowd. So why did we have to wear masks even if we would go out in a non-crowded place? Corona is also one kind of influenza, but this has more symptoms. Influenza spreads in any crowded place. Though corona is not affected in a very crowded place, but the distance matters. For example, if you do not maintain 3 feet distance, then that's a crowded place for you. And in influenza, crowded place means so close or a little bit far. But in corona, crowded place means even less than 3 feet. So these two are the differences between a coronavirus and influenza virus, but both of them fall in the sector of influenza. So I raised awareness on both influenza's bad effects, how to prevent it or how to cure it, and I also said few concepts about COVID-19. So even if you see that you're getting these kind of symptoms, at first, if you are already attacked, then try to cure it. But if you are not, but it is the change of the season right now, then try to prevent it so that you do not get attacked by influenza that easily. Because this is a common disease during this rainy season that is occurring right now. So thank you so much for watching. My intention was to spread awareness among you guys because I have seen a lot of friends that were attacked by influenza. They could not even give the exams. Midterm examination, half-yearly examination, it just determines our final exams result. So they could not give 2 or 3 exams, then it means they are damaged. So I want to raise awareness among especially the children and the students that please be aware and please try to do prevention because prevention is better than cure. Thank you. I'm signing off here.